Guys, I've never seen the apps like this before. In my opinion, this is real banger for 2026, guys. This is something new and unique on the market because I've tested dozens and hundreds of apps, but nothing like this before.
This video made for entertainment and educational purposes only, so don't repeat anything you see in this video.
What's up, friends? My name is Kyle Maddox and welcome to my channel. In today's video we are going to talk about free Bitcoin because 2026 has started very actively in crypto. A lot of new projects and tools are coming out, and this year I've been testing a huge number of different tools. Guys, I literally live on forums and test hundreds of tools every month. And just recently my developers friends from Silicon Valley sent me a new tool they created together with a Claude, guys. And right now this tool is gaining really strong popularity, and today I want to test it live with you. As always, guys, by tradition, I'm not telling anyone to do anything. Everything I show is purely educational and entertainment purpose only. I'm not a financial advisor, so always use your own head. But I do recommend watching this video from very beginning to the end to catch all the interesting moments I'm going to show you today. Alright, friends, and if you don't know me yet, I have my own Telegram channel, guys, so you can pause the video right now and find it by its name. And here I have one interesting tool that I want to test it today live. So let me just launch it. Okay, this tool is called Apex, guys. Today I'm going to see what it is and how it works. And I really like how it looks visually, guys. That's really cool. And I already made one video about it on my channel, so you can watch it if you haven't seen it yet. But today I want to test it. A new feature just opened up recently. So let's go step by step. And here is, guys, a crypto game. Let me launch it. This game is currently leading on the ton apps. And this tool is designed to improve the quality of this game. So today I'm gonna choose this mod right here. I'm gonna press this button. And okay, here's the setup process, guys, and if you have watched my previous video, you know that almost every tool I test has some kind of these setups. But what I like that all this information I feel in here is from open sources. Nothing, guys, here is private. Okay, so I'm gonna check one more time here, and alright, so I'm almost finished this one. Okay, and the loading has started, guys. The most interesting part is coming up, so make sure to watch it till the end. Okay, so this is a basic step, so let me just quickly complete it. It's not a big deal for me at all, so just give me literally a few seconds here. I'm gonna grab the information what I need, and today I will use my phone as always. Okay, so here what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go here, there, I'm gonna just paste my information and choose, for example, it could be like that for today test. It could be nice. Okay, so let's just wait a few seconds here. Okay, friends, the loading process has started. That's great. And while this is happening, drop a like and leave a comment, guys, because I read all your comments and I often make a new video based on your feedback. And yeah, as you can see, everything has already updated. So let me just quickly close the game and try to reopen it, because it's usually speed ups any process there. So let's see. Yeah, that's awesome, guys. It's already there. That's really cool, and let me just quickly continue. Alright, the most interesting part, guys, is about to begin, and I'm really excited. 96, guys. Okay, that's really cool. Wow, guys, look at that. I like this feature a lot, guys. I want to see how it works. So I just need to make a small adjustments here. So I just usually need this. Like that. And okay, so I literally just need to copy what I see on my picture. So just 3 on the top is like that, and the other two in the bottom part. Okay, let me just check. Yeah, that was clean, guys. That was super clean. Okay, so all right, I got one more. That's really interesting. So the small settings here. And to not make this video long, I think I just will follow this one and finish on this. Okay, and the other 3, Okay, let me just check. Yeah, guys, look at that. That's really dope, guys. That's really dope. I think it's enough for today. I think it's enough. So now I want to quickly send everything back to make sure it all works. So let me just choose what I need here. Let me just choose, for example, it could be like that. That's also nice. And all I need just to find the where. So I'm literally gonna grab my information here and send it right here. All right. Look at that. That's updating. That's really awesome. That's really great. And let's wait. If you say yeah, it's already updated. Okay, I'm gonna close the game and I'm gonna finish this app. All right, guys. And I really like this app. Today's test was amazing, guys. I've never seen the apps like this before. In my opinion, this is real banger for 2026, guys. This is something new and unique on the market because I've tested dozens and hundreds of apps, but nothing like this before. Okay, time to check the main update here, so I'm just gonna refresh the page and wait it. And I'm a bit nervous, but it's not usual for me because usually, whoa, guys, let's go, guys. 35 on here. Oh my god, look at that. That's literally amazing, guys. Yeah, I like it. So if you enjoyed this review, guys, drop a like, leave a comment under this video, and I'll make something new for you very soon. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in another one.